Welcome to the session of today for this panelist discussion. So we will be talking about how to improve customer experience with data analytics and with AI. Please don't hesitate to ask your questions, and we will try to answer as much as we can as we move on in this session. I will start by introducing myself. My name is Fouad Teban. I'm working in Vertica as the lead for the customer engineering organization based here in Europe, in France. And just a couple of words about Vertica. Vertica is a hybrid data platform that can run on the major cloud vendors and on-prem, and it can be used as a data warehouse, data lake, or as a data science platform. And we have a lot of customers around the globe. So companies like Criteo in France, Taboola in Israel, and a lot of companies from the new economy and also the enterprise customers. And with me today in this roundtable, I have David, Jean-Francois, and Paul. So let's do a roundtable. If you guys can introduce yourself, your job, your company, but also a little bit of context about customer experience in your company. So let's start with you, David. You are in mute.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm David Vopelka, and I'm working as a product manager in a company called founded by a guy who was more than 10 years leading Deloitte data science and machine learning AI consulting across the Europe. And currently we are 90 people, and we are, let's say, standing on the biggest capabilities in terms of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and also data engineering. And what we basically do, we combine these two capabilities to develop AI-based or machine learning-based products with our customers. So we are basically combining the software as a service approach, because we have a lot of products developed in-house, but we do it in the environment of the customers, because this is a critical thing that we kind of learned, that if you want to do some AI-driven innovation, you have to do it in the premise of the customer under his let's say restrictions, because otherwise you will not be able to process all the most valuable data. So we are actually focusing on three verticals. First is financial services, second is retail and large e-commerces, and third one is actually publishing business. And I myself, I'm leading the FSI, the financial services industry, and we are working closely with large insurers and retail banks in UK, DACH region, and CEE. And we help them transform the way how they get the insight out of the data, how they turn them into some audiences, and how they use them, this data, for a customer engagement in both digital and CRM marketing. So through that, we are helping our clients to achieve, we call it "treat me like you know me" customer experience. So yeah, this is our little bit
about Thank you, David. Jean-Francois from Michelin.
Yes, thank you. So hello everyone. I'm Jean-Francois Deldon. I'm digital and data transformation leader for internal audit, internal control, and customer centricity at Michelin. And I have a background more on numerical simulation development, project manager, and data analyst before that. You might know Michelin, but I'm not sure you know about it. It's that it's a company that was a lot focused on product quality before. So this, I'm sure you know about it. But what you might not know is that we're changing that a little to be really more customer centric. It means that we want to switch between zero default product into a 100% customer satisfaction about our products and services. And it's really an interesting move, because when doing that, you go really deeper and deeper into what is your customer, what feel your customer, and it makes you change.